Hello everyone and welcome to the e-learning classes of Ambuja Public School Rabjavas, and it's your EVS class. So today's topic is me and my surroundings. In this I am going to explain you about aquatic animals, birds and insects. So let's see few aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are also known as sea or marine animals. Aquatic animals. Now let's see. Animals that dwell in water are called aquatic animals. These animals depend on water for their survival. Aquatic animals that live in ponds, rivers and lakes are freshwater animals, whereas aquatic animals that live in oceans are sea or marine animals. So let's see few aquatic animals. Fish. Fish. Starfish. This is a starfish. Yes, an octopus. It's an octopus. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. It's a seahorse. Seahorse. Yeah, it's shark with sharp teeth. Shark. After that, dolphin. Lovely, cute dolphin. Yes, sea turtle. Sea turtle. And it's a blue whale. It's a blue whale. It's a urchin. It's urchin. Now, this is a seal. This is a seal. And next one is walrus. It's a walrus. And our next one is crab. These all are the aquatic animals. Let's listen about some birds' name. Yes. Pigeon. Pigeon. And next one is starling. Starling. The name of this bird is starling. Very common bird. Sparrow. Sparrow. And again you observe many times. Crow. Crow. And next one is nightingale. It's nightingale. Kids all love nightingale. And it's ostrich. It runs very fast. It's a duck. Duck. And very favorite national bird, peacock. It's a national bird, peacock. And hen. Hen. And this is a swan. This is a swan. And we can see during night time, bat. We can see bat during night time. And it's an owl. Lovely owl. An all-time favorite are parrot. Yes, parrot. Next one is woodpecker. Yes, woodpecker. And it's very lovely bird. Its name is dove. Its name is dove. Next one is kingfisher. It's kingfisher. And the next one is falcon. It's falcon. And this one is vulture. Vulture. And the last one is an eagle. An eagle. So let's see few names of our insects. Insects name. Now there are many insects. So let's see their names. Ant. Ant. Butterfly. Butterfly. Firefly. Honey bee, honey bee. Cockroach, cockroach. It's grasshopper, grasshopper. It's dangerous mosquito, it's dangerous mosquito. It's housefly, it's housefly. And it's dragonfly, dragonfly. And it's a wasp, it's a wasp. And this one is cricket, this one is cricket. It's bumblebee, it's bumblebee. And all kids' favorite ladybug, it's ladybug. Fruit fly, it's fruit fly. It's termite, it's termite. This is beetle, this is beetle. And this one is locust, this one is locust. Flea, flea. And all-time favorite are caterpillar, it's caterpillar. And last one is moth. So dear students, I hope you all enjoy this video and learned a lot from this video. Thank you everyone and bye bye.